Alright, we're get it on the crown of the board. Take it down. Take it down. Down, 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 down. Whoop, right there.
Right there?
Yep. Putting the plywood in. Get those big screws started. And sink them home with a driver. Plywood definitely ain't coming off. Alright, so far so good. Okay, there's the pre-drilled cabinets, holes, getting big screws with a big washer on them.
Next.
Just gave it to you.
What do we want?
Oh, sorry about the camera work, I'm not paying attention.
Alright.
Sorry about that.
It's all good.
There's one. Alright, cool. Alright, gotta go out and get the other cabinet, put it up, and I'll be back. This is gonna be great. And eventually I'm gonna put another 18-inch, 30-inch wide above the refrigerator. Next time I get some extra money, which is like almost never. So there's the first one. I'll be back. Alright, here goes cabinet number 2.
Last screw.
Pre-drilled these holes. Alright.
There you have it.
Now I just got to screw those cabinets together on the face and tighten that gap up.
Look at that. Nice. Doesn't
Yep.
hit the fridge. See
Yeah,
that?
it turned out nice.
Almost like we knew what we were doing. Beautiful.
Not bad for a couple of car
There you
guys.
have it.
Alright. There's the grouse update. Got new cabinets. Got a new freezer. I now have 2 freezers. And 2 air conditioners installed also to burn up my energy. Alright, so that's it for now. It's the new cabinets in the kitchen area over the washer and dryer. Alright, I'm out. Alright, here's the update. Finished cabinets. Oh man, look at that, huh? What a difference that made. Looks like I actually have a real kitchen. I'm going to put a microwave and a vent hood over here eventually. And this is what we do at the end of the day. New York strips.
Don't forget the
Nice
corn.
French fries. Oh yeah, we got brand new corn. And a cold bevy. Good day's work. Life is good. I'm gone.